Method. A teaching method completes the principles of supervision and methods used for instructing the teacher to achieve the learning tested with the student. These strategies and determine party be the subject matter to the towns and party in the natural with the student. We can also define the international activity between the teacher and the student and determine the objectives of the teaching learning process, a set of work procedures. The methods are very important in the process of the planning, testing, evaluation, and systematization of the early and the current process. They have a logical sequence and they result in a quality transformation on the situation from which they start. For that reason, they are very important in the educational process. The didactics. Didactic the part of the pedagogy that ideas with practical teaching system and method design and delivery authentic and meaningful learning. Today the role of the teacher is focused on helping students so they can. Now I want to learn. Didactic part of education is extremely important since it is the set of the things necessary for good teaching. This is how we intend to be efficient and a student of that good learning. Didactic activities as widely required for the objectives set to be achieved. Importance of didactica in education. But now, and for what? Teach or what to teach? They are good. One of the factors that complement what is didactics. Didactics complement the pedagogy in which it purpose in the analysis in the teaching learning process. In simple words, didactic is didactic and the analysis of every time done with the way education is imparted. This implies taking into account the study of the school curriculum, education reform, from the beginning of education to second is the being able at the tools and processes that have been applied. It is important to build a method didactic guide using some important concepts that we must know, as well as some tools hidden to be applied in our teaching practices in design where the foundation of the educational plans that is being developed in the country. The pedagogy. Pedagogy is the working that is to have an impact on the education process in all dimensions as well as the understanding of organizations cultural and the construction of the subject. In the social sciences, the study teaching methods that is the taking mechanism why with and such trees to train system based on the pre-slating goal for early children. Those who directly tested in the time and the whole letter are known as pedagogists. It is also only the teacher develop through didactics the strategies and methods and allow on the day student to be in the same condition they acquire and appropriate the content taught and part of their training process. Pedagogy is the social science that studies teaching methods that is the training mechanism with and such tries the train teaching based on a precisely objective from early childhood. Those with the activities themselves of the trip of the friendly are known as the pedagogists. Important concept. Didactic is important in pedagogy and education because it allows the teaching that we carry how we quality to sell it and use materials to facilitate development and competencies and achievement indicators allow routine and allow reflection of different strategies. Pedagogy is effective to determine the limits and to know what is failing in the face of the distribution of the student. Pedagogy reflects the clear work of the teacher when individually, vocational and way to the transmit has been connected to its students. The methods are very important in the process, the planning, design, evaluation, and systematization was orderly and coherent process that had a logical sequence and that result in a quality transformation of the situation for which they start. For the reason they are very important in the educational process. the methods in the English classroom. The methods are very important in the process of the planning, dancing, evaluation, and systemization in a daily and coherent process, which has a logical sequence and which result in good the student. As an active and creative teacher in the English language, there are many teaching methods that we can apply in work classroom. We must have a good planning of activities, be clear about the context and we are working, the heart of children and so on. Organize it to have a good work plan in your students. More in English language learning, where there are many methods for teaching in the making students have a meaningful learning and time of the learning. And thank you very much. Bye bye bye.